Hey guys, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. So if you've ever tried to update your iPhone, restore it, or fix some serious system issue, you probably already heard of recovery mode. In older iOS versions, you could just press a button combination and you'd be taken directly into the classic recovery mode screen. But now in iOS 27, you actually go into a new system recovery environment first, and then from there, you decide whether you want to enter recovery mode. Here is how to do it now. You don't need your phone connect to any cable like it used to, but the combo is quite the same. Quickly press volume up, press volume down, and then press and hold the side button. And even when you see the Apple logo, just keep holding it. After a few seconds, you'll see something like loading recovery options. That's the moment you can let go. Now, your iPhone is inside the new system recovery screen. From here, you'll see an option for recovery mode, and once you tap it, your device will switch into the traditional recovery mode interface. Once you are in recovery mode, this is where you can update iOS, reinstall the system, or fully restore your iPhone back up. But to actually perform those actions, you will still need a computer later, either a Mac using Finder or a Windows PC using Apple devices. If you just want to update your phone, and you have another iPhone running iOS 18 and newer, you can just use the software update here. If the button method doesn't work for you, there's also another way. You can use ReiBoot on your computer, and with just one click, it can put your device into recovery mode automatically. This is especially helpful if your buttons are not working or your phone is frozen. You can also use ReiBoot to do a system repair on your phone, or Downgrade, the beta version without data loss if you want to. Overall, iOS 27 makes recovery mode a bit more flexible, which is actually give you more control and more repair options before you even reach a computer. Let me know in the comments which system recovery feature you find most useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.